Good morning, meteorologist Steve Krasnowski here with your weather briefing storm scoot update. It is Wednesday, March 31st, 2021. March came in like a lion, leaving, I guess you can say sort of lionish, because we do have some weather to talk about, so let's do that. Good morning, cold front. I see you there. Big rains are rolling south and east this morning with flood warnings for many in northern Mississippi, Alabama, and lower Tennessee. Flood watches for a big chunk eastward ahead of this line. This front will bring much cooler air with 30s, 40s, 50s, even into Florida. Looking a little closer, you got some very heavy rain falling this morning across the south as the ground is still saturated from last week's heavy rains. Fast flooding is definitely a possibility today. Some other concerns, winter storm advisories and warnings in effect for portions of New York and Vermont. We got a mess here. Let's look a little closer to what's going on there. We have our extra juicy front, as we'll call it. The cold air behind it will reach all the way down into Florida. So we have several flood warnings occurring this morning, associated with our advancing front. We'll have storms definitely possible in the atmosphere due to the cold air that will be rushing in from behind for a late season cold blast. Expect some 30s, even making it into the middle of Florida Friday morning. Up in the tri-state area, we're in the mild air today with a southerly breeze, 60s, mid to upper 60s. But tomorrow's a different story. You can see the front, right? So hold on to those 50s while you can. We'll see the high happen at about midnight tonight. As slowly the temps drop through the day. Rain tapers down roughly 12 to 2 p.m. Thursday. Maybe a nice sunset. This is the rainfall expectations for tomorrow. Looking around about an inch or so. It's definitely useful. And here's the snow situation. Could see some winters up in the upper elevations. Nothing for the big cities. Rain event. And that'll do it for now. Alright, so we'll be back tomorrow. Another edition. Talk to you soon.